NRC Event Notification Report for January 15, 2013. Grand Gulf Nuclear Power Station, automatic reactor emergency shutdown from 100% power due to a turbine generator trip. Background: Grand Gulf Nuclear Power Station is a General Electric boiling water reactor located in Mississippi. Grand Gulf's reactor is the most powerful in the United States. Grand Gulf is operated by Entergy, which also owns 90% of the station through their subsidiary, System Energy Resources, Inc. The other 10% of Grand Gulf is owned by South Mississippi Electric Power Association. Entergy operates a total of 10 nuclear power plants: New York, Indian Point and Fitzpatrick, Massachusetts; Pilgrim, Vermont, Vermont Yankee; Michigan, Palisades Nuclear Station; Arkansas, Arkansas Nuclear 1; Louisiana, Riverbend and Waterford; Mississippi, Grand Gulf; Nebraska, Cooper Nuclear Station. Release of low levels of tritium into Mississippi River from the Grand Gulf Nuclear Station. After heavy rains in late April 2011, workers were pumping standing water that had collected in the abandoned, never-completed Unit 2 turbine building into the Mississippi River. Detectors sounded alarms at the presence of tritium in the water, and the pumping was stopped, and the accidental release was reported to the Mississippi Health Department and to the NRC. As of the dates of the news reports, it was unknown both how much tritium had entered the Mississippi River, and how the tritium had collected in the standing water. Given that Unit 2 of the Grand Gulf nuclear plant was not an operational reactor, had never been completed, it is unknown how much tritium entered the Mississippi River, because samples were not taken at the time of the leak. The NRC is investigating to find the source of the leak. Also note that in April 2011 the United States were continuously hit by the radioactive plume from the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster. Not surprisingly, nobody mentioned what other radioisotopes besides tritium were in the water, as the samples were conveniently not taken. Event Notification Report. January 15, 2013. The reactor emergency shutdown occurred on January 14, 2013 from 100% core thermal power, with reactor critical. The cause of the emergency shutdown appears to be a turbine generator trip. All control rods are fully inserted. Main steam isolation valves remained open and safety relief valves lifted and receded as designed. Currently, reactor water level is being maintained by the condensate and feed water system in the normal band, and reactor pressure is being controlled via main turbine bypass valves to the main condenser. There are no challenges to primary or secondary containment at this time.